Sino ang reyna na nag-carry ng cross? Very good. Reyna Fe. Next. Sino ang reyna na nag-carry ng anchor? Sino ang reyna na nag-carry ng anchor? Okay, gato na halo yun. Sino ang reyna na nag-carry ng anchor? Next, sino ang reyna na nag-carry ng anchor? Very good. Reyna Esperanza. Next, sino ang reyna na nag-carry ng harp? Very good. Reyna Caridad. Next. What mysteries focus on Jesus' early life? What mysteries focus on Jesus' early life? Very good. Kalipay or joyful mysteries. Next. Next question. What mysteries focus on his suffering and death? What mysteries focus on his suffering and death? Very good. Misteryon kasakit or sorrowful mysteries. Next. What mysteries focus on his resurrection and heavenly glory? What mysteries? Sobronio, what mysteries focus on his resurrection and heavenly glory? Very good. Himaya or glorious mysteries. Next, what mystery is added by Pope John Paul II and focus on Jesus' public ministry? Next, what mysteries focus on Jesus' public ministry? Yes, luminous mysteries or kapawa. Okay, tulo na lang ka. 5. Okay, sige. What is the meaning of rosary? What is the meaning of rosary? Okay, sige. Accepted. Crowns of roses. Correct. Next, give me virtues. Even one virtue of Mama Mary. Sige, pwede lang. Naton gin leksyon. What are the virtues of Mary? Next. Sala, ihatag ha ako ng virtues ni Mama Mary. Very good. So, may humility na. So, di rin na pwede balikon ang humility. What else? What else? What else?
Obedience.
Very good. Obedience to God. May dapa. Nagtitikang hanpi. Zoe, nagtikang hanpi. What else? Virtues of Mama Mary. What else? Sige, faith, pwede. Wala na nga 5? So, sige.